Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson I'm going to show you how I play Don't Worry Baby by none other than the Beach Boys on electric guitar. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. And without further ado, let's take a look at the chords we're going to need. We'll need an E major chord, just the traditional E. We'll need an A major chord, and we'll need a B bar chord like this. We'll make that by holding down the A string at fret 2 and barring everything from the D string down at fret 4, not playing the high E. Of course, if you accidentally play the high E, it's okay. You'll get that. You'll get a B6. But we want to get this chord. Just that B chord. We'll also need a C sharp bar chord made this way. Now we had our B. We're just going to raise that by 2 frets for a C sharp. We need an F sharp minor 7 chord, which we'll make in several ways. We can make it by playing an A chord here and then adding a finger at the 2nd fret on the low E string. Or if you can use your thumb, we can bar fret 2 from the D string down, bring the thumb across on fret 2 on the low E. I like using that one a lot because I'm really good with my thumb. That's F sharp minor 7. We're going to raise that by 2 frets for a G sharp minor 7. We'll also need a B ninth suspended 4. We're going to make that by just barring from the A string down at fret 2 all the way down. We'll also need a B7 suspended 4 to a B7. We're going to make that by barring fret 2 from the A string down, and then we're going to bring in a finger to the D string fret 4 and the B string fret 5. That's B7 suspended 4. We're going to move the little finger to fret 4 on the B string for our B7. So we'll go from a B7 suspended 4 to a B7 like that. We'll need an F sharp major 7. I've got a finger on the D string at fret 4, the G string at fret 3, the B string at fret 2, and the high E string at fret 1. And we're strumming that from the D string. And those are the chords we're going to need. First, let's talk about the strumming pattern. Our strumming pattern will be played this way. We'll strum that way throughout the tune. We'll play down, up, up, down, down, up, up, down. Real easy. We'll start with the intro and we'll play E, A, B ninth suspended 4, and we'll play that twice. Here it is. Next is the verse, and for the verses we'll play E, A, and B. E, A, B. Now for the pre-chorus. For the pre-chorus, we'll go to F sharp minor 7, B, G sharp minor 7, C sharp. Now one other way to play that F sharp minor 7 is to bar everything at fret 2 and put a finger at the 4th fret, like that. So we can play it this way. And then B, G sharp minor 7, and C sharp. Next is the chorus. For the chorus, we'll play F sharp major 7. We'll play that chord this way. G sharp minor 7, C sharp. We'll play the chorus this way. And for the break, to get us back into the song, we'll go to our B7 suspended 4, to our B7, and we'll play it this way. Down, up, up, down, and then we'll go back to our song with an E. Well, alright my friends, since all the parts are repeated, that's all you have to learn in order to play Don't Worry Baby by the Beach Boys on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.